In this video, I'm going to be breaking down to you what is drop shipping. So let's just get straight into it. No intro, none of that. So over here, we're going to draw a circle. Alright, so drop shipping is basically taking a product from a website that we're going to be using called AliExpress. Let me show you that website right now. AliExpress. And hold on, allow me to log in right here. Give me a few seconds. Dollars already signed in. In the meantime, we're going to be using a website called AliExpress, which is a Chinese supplier in another country, obviously. And what we're going to do is we're going to be using that to sell different products to people all across the world. Primarily, a lot of people like to target the United States, which is cool. It's a good method, but the United States is the most highest country. So to keep it simple, we're going to go to this website, aliexpress.com, and we're going to get everyday products, just like what you're seeing on my screen right here, and we're going to resell them for a markup. So let's break this down before we get into it. So here we have, sorry about this, still getting used to this. I promise in the future videos I'll get better at this. So over here, we're just going to abbreviate this for Ali. Mike can fit Express. Alright, we'll just call this AliExpress. So over here we have AliExpress, and then what we're going to do, we're going to come in here, we're going to get, what? Hold on. Alright, so we're going to go to AliExpress. Wow, bro. Why is this doing this? This is crazy right now. Alright, sorry about that. So we're going to go to AliExpress. We're going to get a product from AliExpress. And what we're going to do is, after we get this, after we get this product, we're going to resell it on social media to get a markup so that we're able to profit from this. And then the only thing that we're going to have to do, we're not going to touch the product. The product's not going to come to our house. We don't have to go to the post office. All we have to do, alright, so we go AliExpress. We're going to get the product. We're going to go on social media. We're going to post it on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Pinterest, YouTube. From there, what we're going to do is we're going to place it in front of the customers. Like I said, we're not going to touch the product. It's not going to come to our house. We don't have to go to the post office. All we're going to do is, once they order the product, so let me draw a circle here. Alright, so let's say someone decides that they want to buy from you. So once we'll put order. This is funny. Alright, so once they order the product, the next thing of what we're going to do, we're going to come back to AliExpress. But the good thing about this is the product that they're going to order from us, we're going to sell it for at least double the profit margins, which means that if I was to sell this, let's say we sell this ring right here, so it cost me $1.52. Normally I'd price up for at least $10, maybe $15. So let's say we're going to sell this for $10. So let's write $10 right here. That means that I get to keep at least $8 and some change, and all I have to do is come back to AliExpress. So let's draw another line, and it'll come back to AliExpress. Import my customer's information and how. Alright, so after I import the customer's information from AliExpress, all I have to do is come back, order the ring myself for $1.52, put in the information for me to send it off, and then all I have to do, go back to the customer input the tracking code. So we'll just put a number here, pretend this is a tracking code, and from there we just send it to the customer. Now the only downfall to AliExpress is it takes at least seven to anywhere between 7 to 30 days, depending on the supply that you find. So normally what I've been able to do, I get my suppliers, they can do at least 7 to 15 days, which isn't good, but it isn't bad, but it's still faster than the average shipping time, which is 30 days. So now that we have the sequence in set, I'm going to give you a brief demonstration of how we can go about this. So since we're already talking about the ring here, I'm just going to open this in a new tab. So what you want to do is you want to come to aliexpress.com. Allow this to load up. As you can see right here, aliexpress.com. If you're not familiar with it, I'll leave a link to this in the description below for you to check it out. Once we come to aliexpress.com, and let's say that we want to promote this ring. As you can see right here on my screen, this has over 20,000 orders, 20,185 orders to be exact. So it's currently selling for $1.52. Like I said, we can sell this for at least $10, maybe $15, depending on the way you present your offer, but at least $10 I can guarantee. Then as we scroll down to shipping, as you can see, it's going to take 29 days, which the average time I told you is anywhere between 7 through 30 days. So me personally, just because it's going to take that long, I personally wouldn't sell this, because no one's going to, I'm not going to say no one's going to wait. I just don't like long waiting times, and to wait 30 days just for a ring is kind of crazy. So we're going to come over here to free shipping. Now what you want to do, when you come to the shipping side, you don't want to click on this. You don't want to click on China Post. You want to come to e-packet shipping. That's the one you want to do. If a product does not have e-packet shipping, you don't want to get involved with it. They also have Ali standard shipping, which is a good alternative. As you can see, it's only $1 more. Now if you do have a suitable income and you can afford this, you can get 7 to 10 day shipping. But as you see here, it's going to cost you $16.11. So if you was to sell this for $15, you're not making any money. Actually, you'll be losing money, because that's like at least $18. So what I recommend you to do is go for e-packet shipping, or at least AliExpress standard shipping, and that will arrive within 25 days, 23 days. But like I said, if you have an income that you're available to afford to spend, definitely go with this. But be aware that if you're selling this $15, this specific ring, not just all the products in general, but just the one I'm showing you for this example, you would be losing money, and you'll be down actually $2 if you're selling $15. So now that you have the total price, if you have an updated AliExpress, which you should if you make an account, but you can come up here and then you just go up here, sign in. Mine says sign out because I'm already signed in, but you will sign in, create an account if you haven't already. You should be able to see the margins of which the supplier has been selling this for. So if we come over here, we can see we start out $1.57, September 2018. Come down here, November 9th. 2018 dropped to $1.23. Started selling again and moved up to $1.52, and now as of today, well yesterday, March 2nd, they brought it back to $1.52. So you're able to keep track of what your supplier do and how much they selling the product cost for it. And then over on the right side, you're able to see about the seller or the supplier of which you want to go to. Over here it says this supplier is young. They recommend about 70% out of 100. It says the seller is young, but feedback is good enough. Check out the details before buying. As you can see, they have less than 1 year of being a supplier. High general feedback score. You definitely want to check the feedback. I'll get into that before I close out the video. Customers are satisfied by communication. Product match description. Has high shipping speed, and only 1.64% of customers were dissatisfied. So we come up here, out of 3,887 views, only 3% was dissatisfied. So it's not bad. So they got its goods and its bads. You come down here, Let's continue on. Sorry, I'm a little thirsty. Need something to drink. Now, some suppliers do give you a description which you can use for the product that you want to promote. I personally don't recommend some descriptions. Let's see a description that they have, and I'll show you if it's a good description or not. Here's some pictures of the product for the ring. Now, when selling products online, you want to get products that's in use or overall good general picture of the product so that the customer can see actually what they're getting. And what I like to do, I like to come down here and see how many times the product is being ordered within a day. As you can see, a lot of these orders coming from other countries. We got a few from the US, but I just like to come down here and see how many. So today is March 3rd, 2019. So it's only 10 o'clock in the morning so far, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20 orders already, and that's just off the first page. So this product is selling, and then as you can see, we have other recommended products. If you're familiar with how to do upsells, which is selling a product after another product, so if we were to sell this ring and then we put it so that they can buy a separate ring for this for the same price or equal value, or you could do 50% off, then you could do that, and that could increase your average order value, which would in return give you more money. But that's just a basic rundown of what is drop shipping. I'll definitely have a playlist pop up right here on this side for you to watch. It'll go more in depth of more videos of which I created around drop shipping, which I do talk about a lot on this channel. So definitely check out that playlist. If you have any questions, leave them below. Have you started drop shipping? Which part of drop shipping are you currently at so far? Are you a beginner? Are you intermediate? How many years do you have in drop shipping? What niches do you like to go in for drop shipping? Leave these questions and comments below. I'll definitely, if it's good, I will make a video about that, and I'll continue on to give you more insight of my 3 years plus experience in drop shipping. Like I said, watch this playlist over here. This has been your friend and mentor, Mr. Da Vinci. Subscribe to the channel if you're not. Hit that notification bell. I upload videos quite frequently, and I'm still on my 90-day YouTube channel. 90-day YouTube challenge, and I'm trying to upload a video every day, or at least every other day. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. I'll see you in the next video.